are learning to notice the first letter in words and say the sound of the first letter to help you read and write. Place the picture under the letter that it belongs to. So we're going to go through and say the name of these pictures and place them under which beginning sound we hear. We have a f, fish, f, fish. Does that start with the letter F or C? Fish starts with the letter F, so let's move it over. Next we have a k, camera, k, camera. Does that start with the letter C or the letter F? Camera starts with the letter C, so we're going to sort it over to the C. Now we have f, feet. You're right, that starts with the letter F, f, feet. Now we have a f, fan. Is that the letter C or F? What sound does it begin with? F, fan starts with an F, so we're going to put it with the F. Now we have a k, cookie, cookie. Cookie starts with the letter C. We're listening to the beginning sounds, and this is something that can help us to read and write. It is a good skill to do. Use the pictures and the beginning sound to help you read and write. Lastly, we have a cat, k, cat. Starts with the letter C. Good work, friends. Now today for your assignment, you are going to be listening and thinking about the beginning sound.